Hi viewers. Okay, now we are going to learn addition tricks by using Vedic mathematics. And in that, actually, we know that in Vedic mathematics there are 16 sutras, and every sutra has some sub sutras. Okay, among those, this is one sutra, Dasham Shaha. About Dasham Shaha today we are going to learn. Okay, before that, I am asking you that if you not subscribed still now my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell symbol to get up to date. Okay, I'm going to this subject now. Once you see Vedic mathematics, and in this one sutra, it is very important, Dasham Shaha. This sutra can useful to addition of many numbers, addition of many numbers. For example, if you take one digit numbers only, once you see uh, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 9, 7, 3, 4, 5. How we can do this addition? Simply. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers I am taking and we are adding these numbers. Once you see how we can do, okay? Actually, Dasham Shaha means what? Dasham Shaha means 10. Dasham Shaha. Dasham Shaha means Dashamsha means 10. Okay, by using that one, you see we have to start from down. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, 12 is more than 10. Okay, that's why here we have to drop a 10 from 12, drop a 10 from 12, and remaining 2 we carry on. That means that remaining 2 plus 7 next, plus 7, 9 plus 9, 18. Here also 18 is more than 10 and drop a 10, and remaining 8 plus 1, 9 plus 8, 17, and drop a 10 and 7 plus 7, that means remaining 7 plus 7, 14, 14, 7 plus 7, 14. It is also more than 10. That is why here also drop a 10. Okay, and then we can get 4, 4 remaining, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, you drop a 10 here, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, that is 5. That 5 should write here in ones place. Okay, are you understanding? Again, use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens we dropped. That 5 tens we should write here. 5, 0 plus 5 actually. So 55 is the answer. 5 tens, tens place you write 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You listen again. We can do this addition by taking 20 or more numbers, 50 numbers also. Very easy. How we can do? By using this Dasham Shaha. That means by dropping 10. By dropping 10. Okay, to do this addition, we start from downside. It is first step. Downside. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3. How much plus 3? 12. So, up to here 12. From 12, we drop one 10 here. And the remaining 2 you carry on. That remaining 2, that is 2 plus 7, 9 plus 9, 18. You drop 10 and remaining 8 plus 1, 9 plus 8, 17. You drop 10 and remaining 7 plus 7, 14. You drop 10, 4, remaining 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 13. You drop 10. Okay, that the remaining 3 plus 2, 5. Total we got 5. That 5 we should write in its place. And then we have to count how many tens we dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 tens we should write in the tens place. That is 5. Okay, Let us take one more example. 1, 3, 4, 9, 8, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 numbers I taken and I am adding this. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 9, 18 and remaining 8, 16, remaining 6, 6 plus 7, 13 and remaining 3 plus 4, 7 and 12, 2 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 8 plus 4, 12, next 2, remaining 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Write in unit space. And now we have to count how many tens we dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 write in tens space. You see, our Vedic mathematics is same very easy methods. So we have to learn Vedic mathematics and their sutras and sub sutras also. Okay, I'm doing daily at least one video I'm uploading compulsory. If you like my videos, you watch my videos and also you subscribe my channel to encourage me and also click on the bell symbol to get up to date. Thank you very much.